lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. Today join me, let's go ahead and make one of our all-time favorite. It's bake with fried potato or fried aloo. So I first started by peeling up 4 small potatoes. I washed and dried them, then using a mandolin I sliced them and chopped up my ingredients, which is some onions, some wiri pepper, and some green onions from our garden. Then I added some oil in a heavy bottom pan and I added the onions, green onions and pepper and let it saute for a little bit. I went ahead and I added the potatoes and I seasoned with some black pepper, some complete seasoning, garlic powder, and I also added a pack of achote Sazon seasoning. Again, you can do anything you like. Now it's time to go ahead and knead up the bake. I'm using flour, baking powder, custard powder, and grated in some cold butter, and I mixed it around. Now for the liquid, I added 1 tablespoon of brown sugar into half a cup of water and some salt. Once it's fully dissolved into the water, it's time to go ahead and knead the dough. So I added the water slowly until the dough comes together. I'm looking for a nice and firm dough, not too soft and tacky, neither not too hard. I was able to get 6 dough balls out of 2 cups of flour. Using my palms, I formed each one of the dough balls into a nice smooth dough and then just let it sit for a little bit. Now it's time for me to check my potatoes. I needed some more salt, so I went in with some seasoning salt and I just let it cook slowly. It's time to go ahead and fry up the bake. I roll it out into nice little disc and then gently lower it into the oil and let it fry up. I just repeat the process until all 6 of the bakes was nice and fried and golden brown. Smells delicious. It's almost time to go ahead and get ready to enjoy my dinner. Just repeating. It's always nice to see how those little floats just fry up, golden, delicious. And look at those beauties. Aren't they beautiful? Just golden, crisp, soft inside. And then my potato is all ready. I garnished with some more fresh green onions and it's time to go ahead and serve it up. My son loves it when I cut into the bake and stuff it with that golden delicious aloo filling. If you like, you can also top it with some pepper sauce or balambi sour, whatever your heart desires. Or you can just use the bake to eat it with plain butter, cheese, or condensed milk, my personal favorite. Whatever way your preference may be, it's still always simply delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and try making this soon. And if you do, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy eating.